Last semester, I was averaging C+ in my psychology course. This semester, same professor, harder material. I'm getting A- grades consistently. The only difference? This systematic approach to studying. I'm not suddenly smarter. I didn't start studying twice as long. Actually, I spend less time studying now. What changed is how I study. I built a repeatable system using NotebookLM that takes me 15 minutes per week to maintain, and it completely transformed my academic performance. Every Monday morning, I create a notebook for the week, PSYC 315_week 7_hub. I upload this week's lecture slides, assigned readings, and my lecture notes from Monday's class. The naming system is crucial. NotebookLM has no memory between sessions, so clear names let me reference specific sources later. After Wednesday's lecture, I ask NotebookLM, what's new and important this week, and how does it connect to Week 5 and Week 6 materials? The AI synthesizes connections across multiple weeks that I would never spot manually. I pin valuable insights with the pin icon. Before the week ends, I generate a study guide for the week's concepts, easy flashcards for key terminology, and an audio overview for weekend review. Then I ask, what should I focus on next week based on this week's content? This creates forward momentum. Here's the advanced technique. When AI gives me a breakthrough insight, I don't just pin it. I convert that note to a source. Now NotebookLM can reference MY's synthesized understanding in future conversations. This creates compound learning. Each week builds on previous insights. While I'm doing weekend chores, I listen to the week's audio overviews. This passive reinforcement means I'm reviewing 4 weeks of content without dedicated desk time. The results after one semester. Weekly organization went from 2 to 3 hours to just 15 minutes. Exam prep stress was eliminated, as I'm reviewing continuously, not cramming. My grade improved from a C+ average to an A- average, and my professor noted my deeper understanding of course material. But here's what really matters. I actually understand the material now. Before, I was memorizing for tests. Now I'm building genuine expertise because my system forces regular synthesis and connection making. Start with just Monday's 5-minute routine this week. Set up one notebook, upload materials, test the system. Comment week 1 when you do it, and I'll reply with your next step. Subscribe because I'm breaking down the advanced techniques that took my system from good to exceptional.